Hello student. So today we will study a new chapter, that is pronoun. First of all, we will see definition of pronoun. Pronouns, the word which is used in the place of noun is called a pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, we, I, you, it are pronouns. As you know, there are kind of pronouns. The first of all, personal pronoun. A pronoun that refer to a particular person, group or thing. It called personal pronoun. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are called personal pronouns. And personal pronouns, as they stand for the following three persons. The first person, I, we, and it refers to the person speaking only. The second person pronoun is you, the person is speaking to. And third person pronouns are he, she, it, they, and it belongs to the person speaking of. These are personal pronouns and it will use in the sentence as a particular person, group or thing. The second kind of pronoun, indefinite pronouns. When the pronouns refer to person or things in a general way but don't refer particularly, they are indefinite pronouns. For example, many, more, several, all, some, one, others. These are the indefinite pronouns, and you can say indefinite pronoun we can't count, we can't measure. For example, some are born great. Then here is a some is an indefinite pronoun because we can't measure, we can't count. Do good to others. Others is also an indefinite pronoun. Next example, one hardly knows what to do. One is also a indefinite pronoun. And last is somebody has stolen my book. It means here speaker don't know who has stolen his book. Only somebody. It means anyone. That is also indefinite pronoun. So student, the third kind of pronoun is distributive pronoun. A pronoun that refer to persons or things considered individually and not collectively at time is called distributive pronoun. For example, either, each, neither, every. These are distributive pronouns. The first example I have given here, either of you can go. The either is a distributive pronoun, and first of all I will tell you, either is used for the positive statement and means of example is not two, not more than two. Anyone can go. Each of the boys gets the prize. It means whatever number of boys is present there, each of the boys got the prize. Neither of the questions is true. It means whatever question has given is not true. Neither is used for the negative statement. In it will be used for the distributive pronoun, but neither gives always negative statement. The fourth kind of demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. These are called demonstrative pronouns, and this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. This and these is used when the things are person near to us, and this is used for singular person in a sentence, and these is used for a plural person in a sentence as a demonstrative pronoun, and both represent a thing or things that can be near in a distance or time. Next. So student, I am giving some example. This is my pen, that this is my copy, and these are my pens, these are my box. The next we will see that, those. That is used for singular person, and those is used for a plural person in a sentence as a demonstrative pronoun. And as you see, that and those represent a thing or things that can be far in a distance or time. For example, that is pen, that is pen, that is my bag, that is tree. These are the example of, those are my books. These are the examples of demonstrative pronoun also. The fifth kind of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. And interrogative pronouns used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. Who, what, which, whose is interrogative pronoun. For example, who teaches you English? It means someone asks, who teaches you English? Here has a question arise. Which of the novels do you like? It means whatever has novel is there, which one do you like? Whose book is this? Here has also a question arise. And what is the matter? These are the interrogative pronouns. The next, a reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Myself, itself, yourself, ourselves, etc. Reflexive pronoun are words ending in self or selves that are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. And here has given some examples. For example, I hurt myself. Myself is a reflexive pronoun. It means who has hurt. I hurt myself. It means reflexive pronoun, you can say it reflect the subject. The horse hurt itself. Who hurt itself? The horse, and the horse is a subject. Itself is also reflect the horse. You will hurt yourself. Who hurt you? It means yourself is also reflect you. Reflection of yourself is the you, and you is a subject in a sentence.